personally, nowadays, if you try to be on your own, it's very difficult. Area of globalization. So actually standing on your own is very difficult. You can see that, for example, with Greece, at the moment what's happening. Collaboration, I think is very important.
Thank you.
Okay.
Do you feel more British or more European?
British.
Why?
Well, because we live in Britain and we're not fully part of the European Union. Even if we were and we had euro currency, if you asked me that same question, I'd still say I was British.
What do you like about your local area?
I like that it's very student orientated. Where I live, there's a lot of students, there's a lot of people my age, a lot of people who have the same interests as me.
Do you feel more British or European?
British,
Why?
because I was brought up at school saying that I was British. Not English, not Welsh, Scottish or anything else. We were classed as British.
Do you think the UK might form unions with any other countries? Who and why?
Well, personally, I think we would drift away from Europe since we're already an individual country of our own. But I think we may join up with America.
In 100 years' time from now. All modern and different, like new shops and everything, and not so old anymore. What do you like about Wales and why?
It's never boring. It's never dull.
Where are you from?
I was born in Yorkshire, Leeds, but I live in Sutton Coldfield.
Okay, and do you like your local area?
I like the West Midlands, yeah. Good, friendly people. Even the Brummies are nice, friendly people.
Okay, and how do you see the UK in 100 years' time?
It's critical, that question, because it could go a number of different ways. We could be absorbed into the EU, which I wouldn't be happy about, but many people would. Or we could be an independent country trading with the world and dealing with all sides of everything all over the world, rather than just pooling our resources into the EU.
Which countries that are in the EU do you think don't want to be in the EU anymore?
Right. The UK, on recent polls over the last 5 years, show that more than 50% of the people are dissatisfied with EU membership. So I think we do actually belong to a country which is dissatisfied with EU membership, because we see it as a disability, not an advantage. Many of them in the EU will see it as an advantage, because if you live in a community over here and you're surrounded by other countries and there's rivers running through it, mountain ranges on the borders, you don't want people polluting the river and you don't want trouble over the border. So what you have is regulations and rules that cover problems like pollution and things like that, which is great, and they should have that if they want that. But it doesn't apply to us. We're over the sea. We've got 20 miles of water, and so the things we do in the UK don't really influence them over here. And so that's the answer, basically. The answer is that we want to get out.